but different color. So look over here. Now, let's make this beautiful. Let's make now something really worth of. Well, I'm not gonna be. I'm gonna use this one, sure, because I deleted the other ones. I'm not lazy to go get them. Um, let's just put them right here. Let's spin around. Spin, baby, round, round. 90. Okay. There you go. Now, this is a great way of starting with this thingy. Let's make this. Now, this is called what I like to call the planification. So don't put segments, just planify it. How do I really want this hair to be? Like, you know, just maybe just in it like there. Looks nice. Do I want it this short? Do I want it super long? I'm actually gonna make one very long. Okay, it's gonna be massive long. This is gonna be for tutorial purposes. Okay, I will show you why I don't want a very long hair. It's to show you how to physic or skin it. Okay, so there's nothing left undone or nothing left to teach. And if I miss something that I didn't teach, please do say so. Okay, this is gonna be our big one. It's gonna look ugly, we know, but it has to be done. Now, short version again. Okay. Let's put 6 segments, and let's start making this. I'm not the hairstylist, but sure, I will try to do something. A good way to start. There you go. Front view. Let's fix this on the front view first. Yeah, I know I'm silent. Look, this is too big. Maybe we want this the size. I'm actually going to be making a little bit bigger because I don't want to take too much time because now you know the fundamentals. There's no way you can do any type of hair after what I show you. If there is a hard shape, you don't know how to do it, mail me. I will teach you. There's nothing you can't do after you know those techniques. Maybe I want the hair to kind of explode on like that. Okay. Now, this... Okay, emo type. Okay. It's nice to give a bend to it as well. I should probably say this before, but you know, you can bend a little bit the hair. See? A lot of hairs you see, they have just bending shapes. I don't recommend bending X, but please Z either, so just I. Just bend I, okay? But if you want this to bend in a different direction, you have to affect how it would bend, but see? Bend is a great tool, okay? See, you have the direction. This is what I'm going to use here. Okay. Maybe I don't want it to bend too much. Maybe I want it to bend this way like this. See? Okay, look at this. Maybe I want to do even more bending. I want it to bend like it never bent before. And if it's bended correctly, just raise. But remember, when you raise this after, it's a bad idea. Okay, so let's say you want a more bending, but it's not bending it more the way you want it. So how are we going to fix this? The way is hard. Go to poly, and you want more bending, so grab connect. Okay, look at the connect, it's down there. So connect is down there because of the bending. So just turn off the bending. Okay, and connect them. Okay, put more segments in there. Here. here, connect, more segments, connect. Remember, try not to have the last vertex as possible, okay? And bend again now. Let's see how it goes now. If he bends a little bit better. Maybe we need to have a middle one as well, because it's gonna help a little bit because we don't have any on this. So let's select all those babies here and connect. And let's bend again. Oh, this is flexing. Okay, this is what happens when you only select a part of it. This is good, it happens. So you can see, make sure you unselect or select everything. And then bend. Okay, there you go. Direction 90 degrees, that's close enough. See how it bends weirdly? You have limit effects as well. You can choose the same way as the other one. You know, everything is the same. It's bending weird because of the vertex. They're not like perfectly straight. Okay, here. Okay, that's the reason. Now, I show you bending. No, I show you manually, like always. Now, I don't think I need this big, so you can just come here and delete those faces. Okay, and then just stick it up in there. Use that nice ear, fluffy, fuzzy, whatever thingy hood. Allah. Look how ugly she is. Look how ugly everything is beside the fuzzy hoodie. You know, just showing you. I don't want to be perfect anyway. I think I'm pretty much making my point clear in how to make hair and accessories for it. There you go. Now with the hair, you don't need to worry about unwrapping unless you want something specific, and if you want something specific, mail me. But I don't think you should ever do something specific with airplane view. Planes are pretty much what you need. Just all you need to do is play around. And remember, there is a tool, and never forget that tool. Okay, which is our baby, FFD. Now what it's gonna do is gonna give the hair a nice look, maybe. Maybe not, depending on what I'm very up, you know. But the good thing is, just make sure you fit everything in place. Make sure there's no overlappings, like here. Make sure everything is nice. Make sure everything is fluffy. Yeah, I know the hair is ugly. That's the point. Collapse all. Yeah. Okay, now we have all those hairs. Alright, now how you gonna get the hairs together? Simple. Go to one, this, attach, and bang, 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 and bang. I think I got all the hairs there. Actually, I didn't. No, actually I did. There you go. See? All the hair in one mesh. Collapse all. There you go. You double poly one mesh. Now, since we have this hair over here, and it's the same material, but now, let's say you want to have the, like say, oh sorry, you want to have the dev the option to have, you want to have the dev the option to have one color in this guy, which is frozen, I can't click it, and another color in this guy. This is realistic for some reason. So what you can do here, I press F4, that's why I can't see anything, is go to material editor, as you can see here, of the hat option, which doesn't matter right now. But the hat option, I never actually use the hat option. I even use those materials, the standard one. I always create my own. But the idea is you have here 5, which is the 4, which is the hair. It's going to change only this guy down there. Leave it like that. What we can do is we can add another one, which is going to be the 12, and we can call this guy the hair 2. Okay? And we have to put it in parentheses, and I believe it's not this one. I hate laptops. Oh my god. Save my life, laptops. Really hate laptops. I feel like I don't know how to work with a laptop. It ruins my life. Okay, there we go. And I think it's going to be 11. And oh my god, so persistent. Right, and now in this one, the 11, we're gonna add our texture, black one, and we're gonna add our opacity as well. But it's gonna be somewhere. Oh, I don't remember which one was, to be honest. Oh, I think it was a smooth one. Okay. And now we're gonna apply this guy, the material ID, all of them. Oops, make sure you don't move them. Select all the hairs and apply the ID 12. Okay. Now we're gonna apply this one and nothing is gonna happen, which is good. It means the texture is applied there. Now here the color, make sure you put white. Copy and paste this color right here. Okay. So Imvu doesn't screw this. Always use the light one for the hair. Because if you touch this, it actually affects somehow your hair. See? So maybe this is only good. You play with this as well, but normally white is good. It's the real color and stuff. But if you want to, you can play here. Maybe this will fix your problem. But for purposes, we're gonna use white. I always use white for purposes. Okay. Now, what else you need to know about hairs? Remember, those tutorials are long. I know it's boring. You have to hear my voice a lot. But at least one thing is sure: after you watch this, there's nothing you can do. Let's put it honest. There's nothing. There's no hair you can't do after you show you this. You can just do any kind of hair. There's no reason for you not to. Okay. Okay. So for example, now this guy. How can we fix this guy? It's simple. So we know we had the material ID for this was 12. So this guy is going to be 13. Okay, but now we need to worry about something when we make something like this. We always have to make what we call the hair. The hair. The let's call this hoodie. The unwrap. Everybody loves unwraps. We know. Everybody loves them. They're so beautiful and boring as hell. Okay, so unwrapping is part of the deal. So I'm gonna apply this material to this guy. Set ID to 13. And it's probably, you are supposed to have nothing. There you go. At least this part, we have everything right. We have the hoodie, the hair. Okay. Oh, another thing. For example, if you want to make different textures for this hair, this is how you do it. You would come here. Let's say set number. Add a number. Let's call this hair 3. And this is gonna be the 13. Okay. And this is how we would do it. Actually, I'm gonna do it just for purposes. And let's say I want the Barbie one. I'm pretty sure there's a Barbie one. There we go, Barbie one. I'm a Barbie girl. Maps. I'm not funny. I need to stop making those jokes because I'm literally not funny. And I want like this opacity. Different opacity, different material. Okay. Okay. And it's the 14. So set ID of those two planes, 14. And nothing happened for reason is this is not turned on. So make sure when you create stuff you turn them on. Okay, there you go, good job. Make sure you have this color. Always remember this color. You know this affects a little bit the map. And voila, we have two different materials. Remember, it looks like you can see this side. It's because we don't have two-sided texture on. Probably that's the reason you can see the other side. It will be fixed when we are in Imvu, or probably the opacity. No, it's 100%. Yeah, you can change opacity, but this is, you always want this at 100%. Okay. Okay. Looking good. Good. This. Okay. Okay. See this little edge over here? That's because opacity is not well done. Okay. What I mean by that is the opacity here needs to be completely black, and probably she's not completely black. Or to fix those little things, you can just grab the plane itself. If have the F4 on. You can. What the hell is happening? Oh, I click on space. Okay. So when you press space, see the second over here? It blocks the selection, so be careful. You can use an unwrap, or you can use this a UV map. See? And in here we can actually tweak this map. We have the gizmo, just playing with. Just playing with the gizmo, for example. Where did my UV map went to? This guy literally does not like his at all, so let's see NV map and let's manipulate here. Let's try here. Okay, let's go here. Gizmo, see, you can affect the map the way you apply, but be very careful, okay? Because this can really destroy the texture. Another way you can do this is simply add unwrap, okay? See, the unwrap is perfectly fitting in there, okay? And if it's just a little detail, probably the UV editor is going to tell us what the mistake is. If it's just a little mistake, you can just tweak it and fix it, okay? You come here, make sure. Probably just those little details. See how it affects the map? Okay? But normally you don't want to change too much this, okay? So everything fits nice. Maybe we fixed the problem, maybe we didn't. Oh, there we go, see? Problem fixed. Okay? So just remember, this is how we fix those little mistakes. Like this one would need way more cleaning up here and stuff. It's the same way to clean them, okay?